how to explore live transcribe history on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now here, so click on hearing enhancement. After click on hearing enhancement, click on live transcribe and click on open live transcribe, and you will see click on this settings icon. So after click on settings icon, you will increase or decrease text size from here. So after select size, you will see export all. So click on this option, so you will see live transcribe. So you will select quick settings, message, Samsung Internet, email, messenger, calendar, Gmail, Samsung not saved, and more. So click on more. So you will select app from here. So after select app, click on share input. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can explore, export, live, transcribe history on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.